Believe it or not, this crusty old thing still actually works. Porsche, there is no substitute. Well, here's what the housing assembly looks like, and this is the good one that I took off the car. They're going to have to be replaced. Now, I can go Porsche original, $169 or $120, or I could do something different, like maybe this, but this is for a Boxster, and it really won't look the same. So maybe there's a way I can preserve the look. How about this? But this does not fit up my 928. Perfect. I'll take that challenge any day. All right, well, here's the bumper openings where the lights go with all the junk all cleared out. You can see the little rust patch left there. So the advantage of going with the LED is, again, waterproof, and I won't have to ever deal with this again, hopefully. And look at that, it actually fits right in perfectly in the opening, and the holes line up and everything. So I think we can make this work. What will look like. So again, original housing all rotted, contacts all rotted. This is the one that was working a little bit. You can see there's a little bit of a channel in here where this plastic lens would slide, and then the cover would go over it. I've taken all the paint off and cleaned these up ready for painting, and I've cleaned all of these up. So what's going to happen is this is going to sit in here like it did. These will be painted, the housings will be painted black, and that LED light, I was able to lightly sand the bezel here and take that protrusion off. So now this is going to sit here. Now, the original had a gasket because this was obviously supposed to be waterproof, and well, you can see how that worked. But this sealed LED, and I will also electrical tape wrap this. This fits right in here with just that little modification. Will fit flush, and will fit right up inside the underneath of the bumper. So I will go ahead and get these painted, and once I get it all together, I'll show it to you on the car. All right, here's the setup for pop riveting. I've got the plate up above in here. I put a couple of screws in that are going to hold the bezel. That's just to hold the plate down. I got the pop rivets in there, and I'm just going to put it in there and pop it. I got to put the phone down because I need two hands to do this. All right, pop rivets are set. I did both sides. You can see they're pretty tight up there, so they're just there to hold the plate in place. Just make sure your holes are all lined up before you do it. But that is ready to go. All right, finished product. A couple of stainless steel screws, and she looks factory again.